So, you've been navigating the financial seas with ratios as your North Star. But let's face it, sometimes it feels like you're charting with an old map, right? Now, imagine if you could not just read the stars, but predict their movements. That's where ChatGPT sails in. Take Maria from Novatech. She was in the same boat, crunching numbers, until she tapped into ChatGPT. Suddenly, she's not just looking at liquidity today, but forecasting it. It's like having a financial crystal ball. Now let's dive into how you can use this AI to stay afloat. First up, dynamic ratio tracking. Forget waiting for quarter-end reports. With AI, you're watching those ratios move in real time. Spot a trend, an anomaly, you're on it before anyone else even sees the wave coming. And scenario modeling? It's a game changer. You can play out what-ifs like a chess grandmaster. Market downturn? You've already run the numbers. Expansion plans? You know exactly how that affects your solvency ratios. But here's the kicker: integrated analysis. You're not just forecasting ratios, you're blending them with budget predictions, market trends. It's like having a financial forecast that's 4K Ultra HD. Remember though, AI is the co-pilot, not the captain. It's giving you the data, but you're making the calls. It's about using those insights as a powerful tool in your strategic arsenal. So, as you step into this new era, think of AI as your first mate in financial ratio analysis. It's about blending the best of what you know with the best of what AI can predict. And that's how you redefine financial foresight. Embrace the revolution, and you're not just staying ahead. You're charting a course for success others will want to follow. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity: the AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, let's dive into the world of financial ratio analysis. You know, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for understanding a company's financial health. Each ratio, a unique tool tailored for a specific aspect of the business. Starting with liquidity ratio analysis, it's all about answering one question: can the company meet its short-term obligations? It's like checking if you've got enough gas in the tank to get you to the next station. Tools like the current ratio and quick ratio give you those insights. Now, profitability ratio analysis, that's where you're looking at the bottom line. Are we making money or just spinning our wheels? Ratios like net profit margin and return on assets come into play here, helping you gauge the efficiency of turning resources into profits. Moving on to solvency ratio analysis. This is the long game, folks. It's about assessing if the company can survive over the long haul by examining debt to equity and interest coverage ratios. Think of it as checking the health of the roots of a tree, not just the leaves. Efficiency ratio analysis. It's all about how well a company uses its assets and liabilities. Inventory turnover, days sales outstanding, these ratios tell you if the company is a well-oiled machine or if there's some friction in the gears. Market ratio analysis gives you the investor's perspective. Price to earnings, dividend yield, these are the ratios that can influence whether investors see your company as a golden ticket or a pass. DuPont analysis. Now that's a deep dive. It dissects return on equity into three parts: operating efficiency, asset use efficiency, and financial leverage. It's like understanding the DNA of a company's return on equity. And trend analysis. It's not about what's in style this season. It's about spotting the patterns over time. Are we improving? Are we declining? It's crucial for forecasting and strategic planning. Now, how does ChatGPT fit into all this? Imagine having a financial analyst at your fingertips, ready to crunch numbers, compare ratios, and even forecast trends. ChatGPT can help you automate the tedious parts so you can focus on the strategic insights. It's like having a co-pilot in the cockpit of financial decision-making. So, finance managers, leverage the power of AI with ChatGPT to sharpen your financial ratio analysis. It's about making smarter decisions faster, and that's how you stay ahead in the financial game. Hey, quick commercial break. Training in finance management sharpens your financial acumen, making you an indispensable asset to your organization. Act now and get your Finance Manager handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored to your role. It's a smart investment. Find it all at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, so you're knee-deep in financial ratio analysis, right? You've got your classic peer comparison, where you're sizing up your company against the competition. It's like checking out the other runners in a race. You want to know who's setting the pace and who's falling behind. But then there's sensitivity analysis. This is where things get spicy. You're playing out different what-if scenarios, seeing how changes in the market could impact your ratios. It's like having a financial crystal ball, giving you a heads up on potential risks and opportunities. Now let's talk ratio forecasting. You're not just looking at today, you're peering into the future, predicting where those ratios will land. It's a bit like weather forecasting for finance, using past trends to predict future performance. And ratio interpretation? That's the art of reading between the numbers. You're deciphering what those ratios are really telling you about the financial health of your business. It's like translating a foreign language, but instead of words, it's numbers. Lastly, scenario analysis. You're the director of your own financial movie, creating different plots to see how your ratios would react to various business decisions. It's storytelling with a financial twist, each scenario a different tale of what could happen. Now, imagine having ChatGPT as your co-pilot through all this. It's like having a financial analyst at your fingertips, ready to crunch numbers, compare ratios, and simulate scenarios. ChatGPT can help you interpret complex financial data, forecast future ratios, and even run those sensitivity analyses to stress test your financial strategies. With ChatGPT, you're not just managing numbers, you're mastering them, turning insights into action. So, let's dive in and see how ChatGPT can take your financial ratio analysis to the next level. This teaser introduces our full training. Explore the entire curriculum at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. The package includes 10 hours of video content, a comprehensive audiobook, and a 300-page book, all focused on your job's AI applications. You'll learn to make AI work for you, increasing efficiency and expertise. This can boost your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and make you 300% more likely to get hired in AI-related roles. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager for full access. Imagine you're Lucas, a finance manager at Futura Inc. You're knee-deep in spreadsheets, trying to make sense of expenses scattered across departments. It's a juggling act, and let's be real, it's not just about tracking expenses, it's about strategic financial management. That's where ChatGPT comes in, not just as a tool, but as a game changer in the world of expense tracking. You've got historical data, right? Train ChatGPT on it. Watch it work its magic, pinpointing spending patterns, flagging anomalies, and even dishing out spending strategies tailored to your business projections. It's like having a financial oracle at your fingertips. Now let's talk strategy. First up, automated categorization. ChatGPT can sort expenses in a snap, reducing errors and freeing up your time. It's like having a meticulous assistant who never sleeps, ensuring every penny is accounted for. Next, predictive alerts. This is about being proactive, not reactive. Train ChatGPT to give you a heads up on unusual spending trends or when you're inching close to budget limits. It's like having a financial guard dog that barks before the intruders are even close. And don't forget those intuitive dashboards. They're your real-time window into the company's financial heartbeat. With AI, you get visual summaries that let you monitor spending habits at a glance. But remember, it's a symbiotic relationship. AI brings precision and efficiency, but your financial savvy is irreplaceable. Use AI as your compass, but you're still the captain steering the ship. By integrating AI like ChatGPT into your expense tracking, you're not just keeping up, you're setting the pace. You're transforming from a number cruncher into a strategic financial visionary. So, embrace the AI revolution in expense tracking and watch your financial management soar to new heights. It's not just about doing more, it's about doing better, smarter, and with foresight that only AI can provide. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity. the AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, let's dive into the world of expense tracking. You know how it goes. Receipts piling up, categories blending together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle where all the pieces are the same color. But imagine if each piece just found its own spot. That's automated expense categorization for you. ChatGPT can sort expenses like a pro, no sweat. Now think about real-time notifications. You're in the middle of a meeting and bam, an alert pops up. You just went over your travel budget. With ChatGPT, you're always in the loop, keeping those budget surprises at bay. And then there's the approval dance, the back and forth emails, the waiting game. But what if it was streamlined? ChatGPT can set up an expense approval workflow that's smoother than your morning coffee routine. Speaking of smooth, let's talk policy. It's like that rule book everyone forgets to read. ChatGPT can be your guide, ensuring every expense is in line with your company's policy. No more policy breaches, just clear guidance. Budget tracking is another beast, right? You're trying to keep everything on track, but it's like herding cats. ChatGPT can send you alerts before things go haywire. It's like having a financial crystal ball. Vendor management can be a maze too. Who's delivering value? Who's not? ChatGPT can help you keep tabs on your vendors, making sure you're getting the bang for your buck. And finally, the dreaded expense reports. They're the bane of your existence. But what if they just appeared? ChatGPT can generate detailed reports, giving you the insights without the migraine. So there you have it. From categorization to reporting, ChatGPT is like your personal finance assistant, turning chaos into clarity. Now, go tackle those expenses like a boss. Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of expense tracking. You know how it goes, right? Every penny counts. And keeping track of those pennies can be, well, a bit of a headache. But what if I told you ChatGPT could be your new financial sidekick? Let's unpack this. First up, integration with accounting systems. Imagine all your financial data flowing seamlessly from one platform to another. ChatGPT can help bridge that gap, making sure your expense data syncs up with your accounting software. No more manual entry, just smooth, automated processes. Now let's talk multi-currency expense tracking. For those of you dealing with international transactions, you know the struggle. Exchange rates, different currencies, it's a lot. But ChatGPT can help you track those expenses in real time, converting currencies on the fly. It's like having a financial translator at your fingertips. Data visualization and analytics, that's where the magic happens. ChatGPT can take your raw expense data and turn it into easy-to-digest charts and graphs. You'll spot trends, see where your money's going, and make smarter decisions without sifting through spreadsheets for hours. Tax compliance support, because nobody wants to mess with taxes. ChatGPT can keep you updated on the latest tax regulations and help ensure your expense tracking is compliant. It's like having a tax guru in your back pocket, minus the hefty consultancy fees. And finally, expense audit assistance. Audits can be daunting, but ChatGPT can help you prepare, organize your records, and even flag potential issues before they become real problems. It's like a rehearsal before the big show, ensuring you're ready for whatever the auditors throw your way. So there you have it. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your financial command center, ready to tackle the complexities of expense tracking. With ChatGPT, you're not just managing expenses, you're mastering them. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey. All right, let's dive deeper into how ChatGPT can revolutionize your investment analysis. Imagine you're at your desk, swamped with proposals. You're looking for that diamond in the rough, but the pressure's on and time is ticking. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. You've got historical data, right? Market trends, financial reports, all that jazz. Feed it to ChatGPT. This AI isn't just crunching numbers, it's learning the rhythm of the market, understanding what makes an investment shine. It's like having a financial oracle at your fingertips, giving you a detailed analysis of potential returns and risks, and even throwing in a curveball or two with scenarios you hadn't considered. Now think about the power of multifaceted analysis. You're not just looking at numbers in a vacuum. ChatGPT pulls in data from all over: social media sentiment, geopolitical events, industry shifts. It's giving you a 360-degree view of your investment landscape. That's how you spot the opportunities that others might miss. And let's talk about playing the long game with scenario simulations. Markets are fickle, right? But with AI, you can run simulations for different market conditions. It's like having a crystal ball showing you how your investments could perform in the future. This isn't just about making smart choices. It's about being prepared for anything. Trend forecasting is another ace up your sleeve. ChatGPT's data processing capabilities can pick up on emerging trends before they're making headlines. It's like catching the wave before it breaks, positioning you to ride it all the way to the shore of success. But remember, AI is a tool, not the master. Your expertise, your gut feeling, that's what steers the ship. Use AI to inform your decisions, but trust your instincts to make the final call. By blending AI's computational might with your financial acumen, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. You're setting up for high returns and sustainable growth. So let's harness the power of AI-enhanced thinking and carve out a future of financial triumph. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity: the AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, let's dive into the world of investment analysis. You've got a ton of ideas, right? And each one is like a puzzle piece waiting to fit into your grand financial picture. But how do you make sense of it all? That's where ChatGPT comes in. First up, portfolio optimization. It's all about balance. You want that perfect mix of assets that maximizes returns while keeping risk at bay. ChatGPT can sift through mountains of data, analyze historical trends, and help you find that sweet spot. Now, valuation modeling, it's the art of predicting the future, sort of. You're trying to figure out what a company's really worth. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, compare industry benchmarks, and give you insights that are grounded in solid data. Risk assessment, it's like the weather forecast for your investments. You need to know what storms might be brewing. ChatGPT can help you identify potential red flags and stress test your portfolio against various scenarios. Performance measurement is next. You've got to know if you're winning or not, right? ChatGPT can track your investments over time, giving you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. Then there's fundamental analysis. It's all about digging deep into financial statements, market trends, you name it. ChatGPT can help you dissect that information, so you can make decisions based on the economic realities of the companies you're eyeing. Technical analysis is a different beast. It's like reading tea leaves, but for stocks. Patterns, charts, volume. ChatGPT can analyze past market behavior to help you spot potential trends. Lastly, sector and industry analysis. You've got to understand the playing field. ChatGPT can keep you updated on industry shifts, regulatory changes, and competitive dynamics. So, whether you're optimizing, valuing, assessing, measuring, or analyzing, ChatGPT is like your co-pilot in the complex skies of investment analysis. It's about leveraging AI to make smarter, data-driven decisions. And that, my friend, is how you stay ahead of the game. Sorry, quick commercial break. Did you know with financial management expertise, your career prospects could soar by 300%? Make a strategic move. Purchase the Finance Manager's Essential Guide, audiobook, and video training for your role, all for just $29. It's a financial game changer. Find it on completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of investment analysis. You've got a ton of data on your desk and a million decisions to make, right? Well, imagine having a tool that can sift through all that info and give you the insights you need. That's where ChatGPT comes in. First up, economic analysis. You're tracking market trends, inflation rates, GDP growth, the works. ChatGPT can process this data, spot patterns, and even predict market shifts. It's like having a crystal ball, but with algorithms instead of magic. Now, let's talk ESG analysis. You want to invest responsibly and need to know a company's impact on the world. ChatGPT can evaluate environmental policies, social practices, and governance issues, giving you a comprehensive view of a company's ethical footprint. It's like having a detective for corporate responsibility. Scenario analysis can be a headache, right? But with ChatGPT, you can run multiple what-if scenarios in no time. It can help you weigh potential outcomes and prepare for different market conditions. It's like playing chess with a supercomputer. You're always 5 moves ahead. Investment due diligence is crucial. You need to dig deep into financials, management, and operations. ChatGPT can streamline this by pulling information from various sources and highlighting the red flags or golden opportunities. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps. Lastly, investment reporting and communication. Reports can be dry, but ChatGPT can help you craft clear, insightful, and engaging reports. It can even tailor communication to different stakeholders. It's like having a PR pro in your pocket. So whether you're crunching numbers or shaping strategies, ChatGPT is your ace in the hole for smarter, faster, and more effective investment analysis. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And that's how you stay ahead in the game. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey. Crafting mastery in cash flow management isn't just about keeping the books balanced. It's about predicting the financial future of your company and making sure you're ready for whatever comes next. That's where AI, specifically ChatGPT, comes into play. Imagine you're at the helm of your company's finances, like Robert at Stellar Dynamics. You've got a good handle on the basics, but as the company grows, so does the complexity of managing that all-important cash flow. You need to forecast cash needs, time those crucial inflows and outflows, and ensure liquidity at all times. It's a lot, right? But here's where it gets interesting. By feeding ChatGPT with historical cash flow data, you can start to see patterns and correlations that might have slipped through the cracks. This isn't just about looking back, it's about shaping the future. With AI, you get real-time monitoring, predictive insights, and even recommendations on how to optimize your cash flow. Let's break it down. First up, real-time monitoring. With AI, you can have a live dashboard that's constantly updated. You'll see the cash coming in and going out, and you'll never be blindsided by a sudden change. Then there's predictive analysis. ChatGPT can help you see ahead, forecasting potential cash shortages or surpluses. This means you can act before there's an issue, or if you're lucky, find smart ways to use extra cash. Scenario analysis is another game changer. Test out business decisions in a simulated environment and see exactly how they'll affect your cash flow. It's like having a financial crystal ball. And don't forget the power of collaborative intuition. Your experience, combined with AI's computational prowess, makes for an unbeatable team. Let the AI provide guidance, but trust your gut when it counts. By leveraging ChatGPT, Robert turned cash flow management from a reactive task into a proactive strategy. It's about taking action, dispelling doubt and fear, and building a financially solid future. So, embrace AI. Let it amplify your financial expertise and turn your cash flow management into the cornerstone of business excellence. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead. Hey, I would love to ask something from you. Financial acumen paired with AI insights can skyrocket your strategic decision making. Take the leap now. Secure the Finance Manager's AI Integration Guide, audiobook, and video series for just $29, meticulously tailored for your role. It's a financial career game changer. Find it on completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of cash flow management. Managing cash flow is like keeping your car on the road. You've got to steer, accelerate, and brake at the right times. And ChatGPT, it's like your trusty GPS and co-pilot rolled into one. First up, cash flow forecasting. It's all about predicting the financial road ahead. ChatGPT can analyze past trends, seasonal patterns, and current data to give you a forecast that's as clear as a sunny day. It's like having a crystal ball, but with algorithms instead of magic. Now let's talk expense optimization. Every penny counts, right? ChatGPT can help you identify where you're bleeding cash and suggest ways to tighten the purse strings without squeezing the life out of your operations. It's like fine-tuning your engine for maximum efficiency. Working capital management is next on our list. It's the fuel in your tank. ChatGPT can help you juggle receivables, payables, and inventory to keep your business humming along without stalling. Think of it as your pit crew, ensuring you're race ready. Cash conversion cycle analysis. This is where things get interesting. ChatGPT can break down each step of your cycle, pinpointing where cash gets trapped. It's like having a diagnostic tool that spots the bottlenecks in your system. Cash flow monitoring is your dashboard. ChatGPT can set up real-time alerts and reports, so you're always in the know. No more surprises, just smooth sailing. When it comes to cash flow budgeting, it's all about planning your route. ChatGPT can help you allocate funds wisely, ensuring you've got enough gas to get to your next destination and beyond. And finally, debt management. ChatGPT can help you strategize repayments and refinancing so your debt doesn't drag you down like an anchor. So there you have it. With ChatGPT, you've got a full toolkit to keep your cash flow managed and your financial journey on track. Let's hit the road to success, shall we? Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of cash flow management. Managing cash flow is like keeping your car on the road. You've got to steer carefully, watch your speed, and be ready for bumps along the way. First up, cash flow ratios analysis. It's like checking your car's dashboard. You want to keep an eye on those indicators to ensure everything's running smoothly. ChatGPT can be your co-pilot here, crunching numbers to highlight your liquidity, efficiency, and profitability ratios. It's about getting that instant snapshot so you can make informed decisions on the fly. Now, onto cash flow sensitivity analysis. Imagine you're planning a road trip, but you're not sure how much fuel you'll need. ChatGPT can map out various scenarios for you. It's like having a financial GPS that shows you how changes in sales, expenses, or inventory will impact your cash flow. You're preparing for every twist and turn in the market. Moving to cash flow improvement strategies, think of it as tuning up your engine. ChatGPT can help identify the leaks in your cash flow and suggest ways to patch them up. Whether it's speeding up receivables, managing payables, or optimizing your inventory, you're ensuring your business runs more efficiently. Cash flow risk management is all about defensive driving. You've got to anticipate the risks ahead and know how to handle them. ChatGPT can help you set up warning systems like monitoring covenants and forecasting cash positions, so you can break before a cash crunch hits. Lastly, cash flow reporting. It's your travel log. ChatGPT can assist in generating detailed reports, giving you insights into where your cash has been and where it's headed. It's about keeping track of your journey so you can share it with stakeholders and make sure everyone's on board with the financial direction. So, whether you're cruising along or navigating a tight corner, remember, ChatGPT is here to help you manage your cash flow and keep your business journey smooth. Let's hit the road to financial stability, shall we? This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey. Imagine you're knee-deep in financial statements, and the numbers are starting to look like a foreign language. You're not just looking for data, you're searching for the story they're trying to tell. That's where ChatGPT comes in, transforming the way you interact with these numbers. Now let's say you're analyzing your company's performance. You've got the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement in front of you. ChatGPT can be your sidekick here. It can sift through the data, identify trends, and even flag any outliers that might need a closer look. It's like having a financial detective at your disposal. But it's not just about looking back, it's about forecasting too. ChatGPT can take historical data and help you paint a picture of what the future might hold. This isn't about replacing your expertise, it's about enhancing it. You've got the financial savvy, and ChatGPT has the computational power. Together, you can create a more comprehensive analysis. And when it comes to comparing your financials against the industry benchmarks or competitors, ChatGPT can automate that process. It's like having a constant pulse on the market, ensuring you're not just keeping up, but staying ahead. Remember, the goal here is to blend your intuition with AI-driven insights. You bring the context, the experience, and the strategic thinking. ChatGPT brings the data crunching efficiency. It's a partnership where 1 + 1 = 3. By leveraging ChatGPT, you're not just crunching numbers, you're crafting a narrative. You're not just a finance manager, you're a storyteller, where every figure contributes to the plot. With AI, you can ensure that your financial analysis is not just accurate, but also insightful, providing a clear path for decision-making. So, let's harness the power of AI and turn those financial statements into a crystal-clear story of where your business stands and where it's headed. With ChatGPT, clarity isn't just an outcome, it's a journey. And for you, the finance manager, it's a journey to strategic foresight and informed decision-making. Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the deep end of financial statement analysis. You've got your numbers, your charts, your endless rows of data, but how do you make sense of it all? How do you turn that data into actionable insights? That's where ChatGPT comes in, like your personal financial analyst sidekick. First up, ratio analysis. You're looking at liquidity, profitability, gearing ratios, right? ChatGPT can crunch those numbers in a flash, giving you the ratios that highlight your company's financial health. It's like having a calculator on steroids, but smarter. Then there's trend analysis. Spotting those patterns over time can be like trying to find a rhythm in a jazz solo. But with ChatGPT, you can map out those trends, see where your finances are heading, and make decisions with confidence. Comparative analysis? Oh, it's a game changer. Imagine comparing your financials with industry benchmarks or competitors without breaking a sweat. ChatGPT can line up those figures for you, showing you exactly where you stand. Vertical analysis? That's all about understanding each line item as a percentage of a base figure. ChatGPT can break it down, giving you a clear picture of your financial structure. It's like putting your financial statements under a microscope. Horizontal analysis, on the other hand, is your time machine. It lets you look at your financials over different periods, and ChatGPT can highlight those changes, pinpointing where you've grown or where you need to buckle up. Cash flow analysis is crucial, right? It's the lifeblood of your business. ChatGPT can help you track where your cash is coming from and where it's going. It's like having a GPS for your cash flow. And let's not forget DuPont analysis. This is where you get to dissect your return on equity into its components. ChatGPT can help you understand the levers of your profitability, peeling back the layers to reveal the core of your financial performance. So, whether you're looking to streamline your analysis, get deeper insights, or just save a ton of time, ChatGPT is your go-to. It's like having a financial analyst in your pocket, ready to tackle any number you throw at it. Now go ahead, make those data-driven decisions that'll steer your company to success. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity. The AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, let's dive into the world of financial statement analysis. You've got your numbers crunched, your spreadsheets glowing, but what's next? How do you make sense of it all? That's where ChatGPT comes in, like your financial analysis sidekick. First up, earnings quality assessment. You want to know if those profits are as solid as a rock or if they're fluffier than a cloud. ChatGPT can sift through the noise, helping you identify one-time gains, revenue recognition patterns, and expense deferrals. It's like having a detective for your financials, ensuring those earnings are top-notch. Now on to risk assessment. It's like weather forecasting for finance. You need to know if there's a storm on the horizon or if it's smooth sailing ahead. ChatGPT can analyze ratios, trends, and even market sentiment to give you a heads up on potential risks. It's like having a financial crystal ball. Forecasting, that's where the magic happens. You're trying to peer into the future, right? ChatGPT can take historical data, sprinkle in some AI algorithms, and voila, you've got projections that can help you plan for the future. It's like having a time machine for your financial strategy. Benchmarking is next. How do you stack up against the competition? ChatGPT can compare your financials to industry standards or specific competitors. It's like having a measuring tape for your company's performance, ensuring you know exactly where you stand. Lastly, financial statement presentation. This is where you tell your financial story. ChatGPT can help you highlight the key points, craft narratives around your numbers, and make sure your statements are as clear as they are compelling. It's like having a storyteller for your data. So, whether you're assessing quality, managing risks, forecasting the future, benchmarking, or presenting your statements, ChatGPT is your go-to for making those ideas a reality. It's like having a financial Swiss Army knife right in your pocket. This teaser introduces our full training. Explore the entire curriculum at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. The package includes 10 hours of video content, a comprehensive audiobook, and a 300-page book, all focused on your job's AI applications. You'll learn to make AI work for you, increasing efficiency and expertise. This can boost your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and make you 300% more likely to get hired in AI-related roles. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager for full access. So, you're in the trenches of tax planning, right? Picture this. You're at the helm of TerraTech's finances, juggling tax codes like a pro. But let's face it, the tax world is ever-changing, and staying on top of it is like trying to hit a moving target in the dark. That's where ChatGPT comes in, not just as a tool, but as your strategic ally. Imagine feeding ChatGPT with your company's financials, the intricate web of international tax laws, and what do you get? A predictive powerhouse. It's like having a crystal ball that not only spots those tax-saving opportunities, but also keeps you in the clear with compliance. And when the winds of regulation change, you're not caught off guard. ChatGPT's got your back, forecasting what those shifts mean for your bottom line. Now let's talk about scenario modeling. With ChatGPT, you can play out the financial impact of your business decisions before you make them. It's like a chess game, and you're always 5 moves ahead. You get to see how different strategies play out tax-wise, giving you that clarity to make informed strategic decisions. And here's the kicker: optimization. ChatGPT sifts through the data to find those tax credits, deductions, and incentives you might not even know exist. It's like having a treasure map where X marks the spot for savings. But remember, it's not about replacing your expertise. Think of AI as the detailed map to your treasure hunt. You're still the captain of the ship, steering based on the insights AI provides. It's that human-AI synergy that turns tax planning from a reactive task into a proactive advantage. By leveraging ChatGPT, Nathan made TerraTech's tax strategy a powerhouse of savings and compliance. It's about using the information you have, not just effectively, but innovatively. So embrace AI and let's turn your tax strategy into a dynamic, forward-thinking asset that not only protects, but propels your company's financial health forward. Hey, I hope you find this valuable. Elevate your financial management career with AI proficiency and reduce your job loss risk by 60%. Seize this chance: the Finance Manager AI Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all tailored for your role. Secure your future at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. Don't miss out. All right, let's dive into the world of tax planning and strategy. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about crafting a plan that aligns with your financial goals. And that's where ChatGPT can be a game changer. First up, tax-efficient investment strategies. We're talking about maximizing your returns while minimizing your tax liability. ChatGPT can help you sift through the noise, identifying opportunities tailored to your portfolio that align with the latest tax laws. Now, entity structure optimization. This is big. The way your business is set up can significantly impact your tax obligations. ChatGPT can analyze your current structure and suggest tweaks that could save you a bundle. And let's not forget about tax credits and incentives. There's a whole world of them out there, and ChatGPT can help you navigate it, ensuring you're not leaving money on the table. International tax planning is another beast entirely. With regulations that change as you cross borders, ChatGPT can provide insights into how to manage your global tax footprint effectively. Capital expenditure planning. This is where strategic timing and selection of investments can lead to substantial tax advantages. ChatGPT can assist in forecasting the tax implications of your big-ticket purchases. Then there's tax-efficient employee compensation. It's not just about salaries, it's about creating packages that benefit both the employee and the employer. ChatGPT can propose structures that are attractive and tax-smart. Lastly, state and local tax planning. Every jurisdiction has its quirks, and ChatGPT can help you stay ahead of the curve, ensuring compliance and optimization at every turn. So, whether you're looking to grow, scale, or just stay ahead, integrating ChatGPT into your tax strategy can provide that edge you need. It's like having a tax expert in your pocket, ready to tackle the complexities of the financial landscape. Let's make those numbers work for you. Hey, quick commercial break. Streamlining financial processes with AI can boost your efficiency and earning potential by 20%. Don't miss out. Seize the opportunity. The Finance Manager's AI Guide, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored for your role. It's an indispensable resource. Get it now at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of tax planning and strategy. It's like a chess game, but instead of pawns and knights, we've got numbers and laws. And just like chess, the right moves can save you a ton of money. First up, tax-efficient debt financing. It's all about leveraging debt in a way that minimizes your tax bill. Think of it as a balancing act between interest deductions and favorable tax rates. ChatGPT can be your sidekick here, helping you simulate different scenarios to find the sweet spot. Now, onto tax-efficient charitable giving. It's not just about being generous, it's about being smart with your generosity. ChatGPT can guide you through the maze of charitable deductions, ensuring your good deeds don't go unnoticed by your wallet or the IRS. Mergers and acquisitions. They're big moves that can lead to big tax headaches. But with ChatGPT, you can map out a tax planning strategy that aligns with your business goals, ensuring you don't miss out on valuable tax benefits. Then there's tax compliance and reporting. It's like the annual checkup for your finances. ChatGPT can help streamline this process, keeping you up to date with the latest tax codes and regulations so you can file with confidence and avoid any nasty surprises. Lastly, succession and estate planning. It's about securing your legacy and making sure Uncle Sam doesn't become the main beneficiary. ChatGPT can assist in crafting a plan that protects your assets and keeps your family's future bright. So, whether you're trying to navigate the complexities of tax law or just looking to optimize your financial strategy, ChatGPT is the tool you need to turn those tax planning ideas into reality. It's like having a tax expert in your pocket, ready to crunch the numbers and chart the course to a more prosperous financial future. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey. All right, let's dive into how ChatGPT can be your co-pilot in navigating the often turbulent skies of debt management. Imagine you're at the helm of your company's finances and you're charting a course towards not just stability, but also growth. That's where AI, specifically ChatGPT, comes into play. Now, you're probably familiar with the balancing act of debt management. It's like walking a tightrope between taking on enough debt to fuel growth, but not so much that it becomes a burden. Here's where ChatGPT shines. By feeding it your financial data, it can analyze patterns, predict future cash flows, and give you a clear picture of how much debt your company can realistically handle. It's like having a financial crystal ball at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can help you map out a repayment strategy that aligns with your cash flow projections. It takes into account your interest rates, your repayment capacity, and even suggests the best times to make extra payments or consider refinancing based on market conditions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Interest rates are as unpredictable as the weather. But with ChatGPT, you're not just guessing. The AI can keep a constant eye on the market, alerting you to rate changes and refinancing opportunities that could save your company a bundle in the long run. And here's the kicker. While ChatGPT provides you with data-driven insights, the final call is yours. It's about using AI as a tool to enhance your expertise. You're the captain, and ChatGPT is your first officer, providing you with all the information you need to make informed decisions. So, by leveraging ChatGPT, you're not just managing debt, you're strategically sculpting it to support your company's growth trajectory. It's about making debt work for you, not against you. And that, my friends, is how you achieve financial equilibrium with the help of AI. Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of debt management. You know, managing debt can feel like navigating a labyrinth, but with the right tools and strategies, it's like having a map and a compass in hand. First up, debt consolidation. It's like hosting a party and inviting all your debts to one place. Instead of juggling multiple payments, you combine them into a single, manageable loan. ChatGPT can help by outlining the steps, comparing interest rates, and even drafting a consolidation plan. Now, debt restructuring, that's a bit like a game of Tetris, reshaping your debt to fit your current financial situation. ChatGPT can assist in analyzing your debts, suggesting restructuring options, and creating proposals for your creditors. Moving on to a debt repayment plan, it's your financial workout routine. You set the pace and goals, and ChatGPT can be your personal trainer, helping you craft a plan that's tailored to your income and expenses. Negotiating with creditors can be daunting, like stepping into a negotiation ring. But with ChatGPT, you've got a corner man, prepping you with the right scripts and strategies to negotiate better terms. Credit counseling is like having a financial therapist. It's about getting expert advice. ChatGPT can guide you to reputable counseling services and even simulate a counseling session to prepare you for the real deal. Budgeting and expense management. That's your daily diet for financial health. ChatGPT can serve as your nutritionist, helping you track your spending and find ways to save. Lastly, the debt snowball method. Think of it as a snowball fight against your debts, where you knock out the smallest ones first, gaining momentum as you go. ChatGPT can help you list your debts and create a snowball plan that keeps you motivated. Remember, managing debt isn't just about paying off what you owe, it's about regaining control and setting the stage for a healthier financial future. And with ChatGPT, you've got a savvy assistant ready to help you every step of the way. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity. The AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right. Let's dive into the world of debt management, where the numbers can be as tangled as headphones in your pocket. But fear not, because ChatGPT is like that friend who untangles them in seconds. First up, debt-to-income ratio analysis. You know the drill. It's all about understanding how much debt you're juggling compared to your income. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, giving you a clear picture of where you stand. It's like having a financial mirror that actually talks back to you with useful advice. Now, refinancing options can be as tricky as a Rubik's Cube, but ChatGPT is like that kid who solves it in under a minute. It can help you explore new terms, rates, and even lenders, making sure you're not leaving any money on the table. And when it comes to debt settlement, it's like navigating a maze blindfolded, right? But with ChatGPT, you've got a guide who knows the maze by heart. It can help you craft settlement letters, negotiate terms, and even strategize your approach to creditors. Credit score improvement is a game where every point counts. Think of ChatGPT as your personal trainer, pushing you to lift your score higher. It can suggest actionable steps, track your progress, and cheer you on as you climb towards that financial peak. Lastly, bankruptcy considerations, the financial equivalent of a Hail Mary. It's a tough call, but ChatGPT can lay out the pros and cons, help you understand the implications, and if it comes to it, guide you through the preparation process. So whether you're trying to untangle debt or just keep it in check, ChatGPT is your go-to for making sense of the sense. It's like having a financial Swiss Army knife right in your pocket. Let's get those numbers working for you, not against you. You're witnessing a snippet of our extensive training. Access the full suite at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. This package includes 10 hours of video training, an audiobook, and a detailed 300-page book. It's designed to deepen your understanding of AI in your specific job, increasing efficiency, easing your transition into AI, and boosting your expertise. Embrace AI and potentially enhance your earnings by 20% to 200%, lower job loss risks by 60%, and increase your job market value by 300%. Learn more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. So you're deep in the trenches of finance, juggling the scales of debt and equity. It's a high-stakes game, right? You're looking to optimize your capital structure, and you want to do it with precision. That's where ChatGPT comes in, a tool that's changing the game for finance managers like you. Imagine having a crystal ball that could simulate different capital mix scenarios. ChatGPT does just that. It takes your financial metrics and runs them through its algorithms to predict how each scenario could impact your company's value. It's like having a financial oracle at your fingertips, giving you insights on the perfect balance between debt and equity. But it's not just about predictions. The market's heartbeat is ever changing, and you need to keep your finger on its pulse. ChatGPT helps you monitor those market conditions in real time. Think about it. Interest rates take a dip, equity valuations soar. You'll be ready to pivot your strategy on the fly, keeping your capital structure optimized for the current climate. Now let's talk risk. It's always lurking around the corner. ChatGPT's risk assessment capabilities can forecast the potential pitfalls of your debt levels, ensuring your company isn't just chasing growth, but also building resilience. It's like having a financial guardrail, guiding you away from the edge of over-leverage. But remember, while AI gives you a powerful roadmap, it's your human judgment that drives the car. Your expertise, your vision, that's what steers the ship. ChatGPT is your co-pilot, offering data-driven insights that complement your decision-making process. By integrating ChatGPT into your strategy, you're not just avoiding mistakes, you're setting a course for amplified success. It's about making informed decisions that propel your company to the zenith of corporate value and stability. So, as you navigate the nuanced world of capital structure, let AI be your guide. With ChatGPT, you're not just crafting a capital structure, you're crafting a future-proof financial fortress for your company. And that, my finance-savvy friends, is how you balance the scales of debt and equity with the precision of AI. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity. The AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, so you're knee-deep in capital structure optimization. And let's be real, it's a complex beast. You've got debt restructuring on the table, which is like a financial makeover, right? It's about reshaping your debt to align with your company's cash flow. And it's not just about survival, it's about thriving. Then there's equity issuance. Think of it as inviting others to the party. It can bring fresh capital to the table, but it's a balancing act. You don't want to dilute your control too much, or you might just become a guest at your own gig. And hey, let's chat about dividend policy. It's the rhythm of your financial heartbeat. Get it right, and you're the maestro of investor confidence. But if you skip a beat, you could be facing a trust deficit. Now, leverage ratio analysis, that's your financial health checkup. It's about knowing how much weight you can lift without pulling a muscle. It's crucial because too much debt can leave you financially inflexible. Cost of capital optimization is where you sharpen your pencils. It's about finding that sweet spot of borrowing costs that won't eat into your profits. It's like tuning an engine for peak performance. Capital allocation strategy, that's your roadmap. It's deciding where to invest, whether it's R&D, acquisitions, or new equipment. It's about making each dollar work like an Olympic athlete. And capital expenditure planning, that's your blueprint for the future. It's investing in the assets that will keep your company competitive and cutting edge. Now, here's where ChatGPT comes in. Imagine having a brainstorming buddy that's available 24/7, no coffee breaks needed. ChatGPT can help you simulate different scenarios, crunch numbers, and even draft reports. It's like having a financial Swiss Army knife in your pocket. So, whether you're restructuring debt or planning your next big investment, ChatGPT is the co-pilot you didn't know you needed. It's about making smarter decisions with a little help from AI. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about ideas, it's about turning them into reality. Sorry, quick commercial break. Did you know with financial management expertise, your career prospects could soar by 300%? Make a strategic move. Purchase the Finance Manager's Essential Guide, audiobook, and video training for your role, all for just $29. It's a financial game changer. Find it on completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, so you're knee-deep in the world of capital structure optimization. It's like a complex puzzle, right? You've got all these pieces, working capital management, benchmarking, debt profiles, risk analysis, and how you communicate that structure. It's a lot, but here's where ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Let's start with working capital management. You're juggling assets and liabilities, trying to keep cash flow positive. ChatGPT can help by automating data analysis, giving you real-time insights, and even predicting future cash flow trends based on historical data. It's like having a crystal ball, but with algorithms instead of magic. Now, on to benchmarking. How does your capital structure stack up against the competition? ChatGPT can sift through vast amounts of financial data, compare metrics, and highlight where you're killing it and where you could beef up your strategy. It's like having a financial fitness tracker for your company. Debt maturity profile optimization. That's a mouthful, but it's crucial. You want to avoid refinancing risk and keep those interest costs in check. ChatGPT can analyze your debt portfolio, simulate various scenarios, and recommend the optimal debt maturity mix. It's like a personal trainer for your debt strategy. Risk analysis. This is where it gets spicy. Markets are unpredictable, but ChatGPT can help quantify that risk, assess the impact of different market conditions on your capital structure, and help you plan for the unexpected. Think of it as your financial weather forecast, helping you prepare for any storm. Lastly, there's communication. How do you explain your capital structure to stakeholders? ChatGPT can assist in crafting clear, concise, and compelling narratives around your financial strategies, making complex concepts digestible. It's like having a translator for finance speak. So there you have it. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a powerful tool that can help you optimize your capital structure, making your financial management as efficient and effective as possible. It's like having a finance guru in your pocket, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. This teaser introduces our full training. Explore the entire curriculum at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. The package includes 10 hours of video content, a comprehensive audiobook, and a 300-page book, all focused on your job's AI applications. You'll learn to make AI work for you, increasing efficiency and expertise. This can boost your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and make you 300% more likely to get hired in AI-related roles. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager for full access. Navigating the treacherous seas of finance, you as a finance manager know the importance of a solid risk management strategy. It's about being prepared, staying vigilant, and most importantly, being equipped with the right tools. Enter ChatGPT, your AI-powered first mate in this journey. Imagine you're at the helm of Aerodynamics Inc., just like Sophia. You're eyeing global expansion, but with it comes a storm of financial risks. Traditional tools? They're like using a sextant when you've got GPS at your fingertips. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You feed it historical data, current financial metrics, and watch as it becomes your predictive powerhouse. It's not just about identifying risks, it's about understanding them. ChatGPT can highlight potential risk hotspots, suggest actionable mitigation strategies, and even project how these risks could impact your company's objectives. Now, let's break down your new AI toolkit. First up, proactive detection. ChatGPT can help you identify financial risks before they fully surface. This means you can take preemptive measures, staying one step ahead. Next, scenario analysis. With AI, you can simulate various financial scenarios. This isn't just about predicting the future, it's about being prepared for any future. Then there's adaptive learning. Keep feeding ChatGPT the latest data, and its risk predictions will grow sharper, more attuned to the ever-changing business landscape. But remember, your human intuition is irreplaceable. AI provides a sophisticated radar, but your experience and judgment are the compass that guides the ship. Sophia leveraged ChatGPT to shift Aerodynamics risk management from a reactive stance to a proactive one. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. By integrating AI into your risk management framework, you can ensure that your company's voyage through the financial markets is not only secure, but also strategically sound. So take the helm with ChatGPT as your first officer in risk management. Together, you'll not just weather the storms, but navigate through them with precision and foresight. Hey, I hope you find this valuable. Elevate your financial management career with AI proficiency and reduce your job loss risk by 60%. Seize this chance, the Finance Manager AI Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all tailored for your role. Secure your future at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. Don't miss out. All right, let's dive into the world of risk management, where the stakes are high and the uncertainties are plenty. Now, imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your life, but also sharpens your decision making. That's where ChatGPT comes in, a game changer for finance managers like you. First up, risk assessment automation. You're used to juggling data, trying to predict the next big financial storm. ChatGPT can take on that heavy lifting, analyzing vast amounts of information to identify potential risks before they even hit your radar. Then there's scenario analysis. Picture this: you're crafting strategies for multiple what-if situations. ChatGPT can help you simulate various outcomes, providing insights that ensure you're prepared for whatever the market throws your way. Moving on to risk monitoring and reporting. It's like having a vigilant watchdog that never sleeps. ChatGPT continuously scans for anomalies, delivering real-time alerts and detailed reports that keep you one step ahead. Fraud detection? It's a tough nut to crack, but ChatGPT's pattern recognition abilities can spot inconsistencies that might indicate fraudulent activity, safeguarding your company's assets and reputation. Compliance management is another battlefield. With regulations constantly evolving, ChatGPT can help you navigate this complex landscape, ensuring you stay on the right side of the law and avoid costly penalties. Insurance analysis can be a maze of probabilities and projections. ChatGPT can assist in evaluating policies, optimizing coverage, and even predicting future claims, making sure your insurance strategies are bulletproof. Lastly, there's business continuity planning. In the face of disruptions, ChatGPT can help you develop robust contingency plans, minimizing downtime and keeping the wheels of your business turning no matter what. So, whether it's automating assessments or crunching complex scenarios, ChatGPT is your ally in the intricate dance of risk management. It's not just about managing risks, it's about outsmarting them. And with ChatGPT, you're always one step ahead. Hey, quick commercial break. Training in finance management sharpens your financial acumen, making you an indispensable asset to your organization. Act now and get your Finance Manager Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored to your role. It's a smart investment. Find it all at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of risk management, where uncertainty meets strategy and where ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Imagine you're juggling vendors like a circus act. Vendor risk management isn't just about catching the balls, it's about predicting where they'll land. ChatGPT steps in as your crystal ball, analyzing vendor histories, contracts, and performance data to keep those balls in the air with ease. Now, pivot to the digital realm. Cybersecurity risk assessment. It's like a game of digital chess against unseen opponents. ChatGPT is your grandmaster, sifting through endless streams of data, identifying vulnerabilities, and helping you strategize your next cybersecurity move before the hackers even think of making theirs. Market risk analysis, that's another beast. The markets are as temperamental as the weather. Using ChatGPT, you can dissect market trends, news, and economic indicators, crafting a forecast that helps you brace for the storm or catch the perfect tailwind. Credit risk management? It's all about trust, but verify. You're extending a handshake with one hand and holding a magnifying glass in the other. ChatGPT can be that lens, scrutinizing credit reports, financial statements, and even social data to give you a clearer picture of who you're dealing with. And let's not forget operational risk assessment. It's the gears of your organization, and you need them running smoothly. ChatGPT is like your operations detective, examining processes, sniffing out inefficiencies, and ensuring compliance to keep the machine well-oiled. In the end, risk management is about making informed decisions, and ChatGPT is here to light up the path with insights and foresight. It's about turning what-ifs into what's next, and with ChatGPT, you're always one step ahead. So, let's harness this AI power and turn risks into opportunities. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey. Imagine you're conducting an orchestra where every section has to hit the right notes for a flawless performance. That's your company, and as a finance manager, you're the conductor. Your baton? Performance metrics. But let's face it, keeping track of every violin and cello, every department and investment can be overwhelming. Enter ChatGPT, your AI maestro, transforming the cacophony of data into a symphony of insights. Now you're probably wondering, how does this AI help me fine-tune my company's performance? Well, think of ChatGPT as your analytics virtuoso. You feed it the scores, past and present financial data, and it plays back a comprehensive analysis. It's like having a financial radar that scans across all departments, highlighting your star performers and those that may need a bit of tuning. But it's not just about the present, it's about composing the future. ChatGPT can predict how the next movement might sound based on the current melody of metrics. This foresight allows you to adjust your strategies, ensuring that every note contributes to the overall success. And here's where it gets really interesting. You can set benchmarks within ChatGPT. Think of them as your musical score. These benchmarks guide the AI to identify any deviations, any off-key notes, and bring to your attention the sections that are playing exceptionally well. Now remember, while metrics give you the quantitative notes, the qualitative music, the story behind the numbers, that's where your expertise shines. ChatGPT provides the data, but you bring the narrative to life. It's that human touch that turns numbers into actionable business strategies. So, with ChatGPT by your side, you're not just crunching numbers, you're ensuring that every department, every investment is playing in harmony, optimizing your company's performance. It's about giving your company not just effort and courage, but purpose and direction. Embrace AI-enhanced performance metric evaluation and conduct your company to resonate with the harmonious tunes of success. Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. So you've got a ton of data on your hands, right? Numbers, charts, the works. And you're thinking, how do I make sense of all this? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes into play. Imagine having a sidekick that's all about performance metrics evaluation. Let's say you're knee-deep in financial ratio analysis. You're looking at liquidity, profitability, the whole shebang. ChatGPT can sift through those numbers, spot trends, and even highlight areas that might need your attention. It's like having a second set of eyes, but these ones don't need coffee breaks. Or maybe you're doing a budget variance analysis. You've got your projections versus actuals, and things are looking a bit off. ChatGPT can help pinpoint exactly where those variances are steepest, so you can figure out why and adjust accordingly. It's like detective work, but you've got the ultimate partner in crime solving. ROI calculations? A breeze. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, consider the variables, and give you a clear picture of where your investments are really taking you. It's like having a financial GPS. And when it comes to cost-benefit analysis, ChatGPT can weigh those pros and cons with you, ensuring you're making informed decisions that'll benefit the bottom line. It's like a debate, but you're both on the same team. KPI tracking is another game altogether. You've got targets to hit, and ChatGPT can keep an eye on them, offering real-time updates and forecasts. It's like having a coach who's always got your stats on hand. Revenue and sales analysis? ChatGPT can slice and dice that data, helping you understand the story behind the numbers. It's like having a translator for your financial narrative. And let's not forget cash flow forecasting. ChatGPT can help you look ahead, anticipate the ebbs and flows, and plan accordingly. It's like having a crystal ball, but for your finances. In short, ChatGPT is your go-to for making those complex evaluations a whole lot simpler. It's not just about the data, it's about making that data work for you. So let's dive in and turn those metrics into insights that'll drive your business forward. Ready? Let's do this. Hey, quick commercial break. Training in finance management sharpens your financial acumen, making you an indispensable asset to your organization. Act now and get your Finance Manager Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored to your role. It's a smart investment. Find it all at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, so you're knee-deep in performance metrics and you're looking to sharpen your analysis. Whether it's risk assessment, financial statements, or capital budgeting, the devil's in the details, right? But here's the kicker. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Let's talk risk assessment. You're playing financial defense, anticipating the what-ifs. ChatGPT can sift through data, identify patterns, and even predict potential pitfalls. It's like having a crystal ball, minus the hocus pocus. Now, financial statement analysis. That's the bread and butter of your world. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, highlight trends, and even draft reports. It's like having an assistant who's a math whiz, tirelessly working to make you look good. Capital budgeting analysis, though, that's where the future's at stake. You're deciding where to invest, and ChatGPT can model scenarios, compare outcomes, and help you make decisions that are solid as a rock. Employee performance evaluation. It's personal, it's subjective, but it doesn't have to be a shot in the dark. ChatGPT can analyze performance data, offer unbiased insights, and keep things fair. It's like a mediator in your pocket, ensuring everyone gets a fair shake. And benchmarking? That's your compass. ChatGPT can track industry standards, gauge your company's standing, and set realistic targets. It's like having a coach who knows the score and helps you aim higher. So, whether you're mitigating risks, dissecting financial health, plotting investments, evaluating your team, or setting the bar, ChatGPT is your go-to. It's not just about having ideas, it's about realizing them. And with ChatGPT, you're not just on top of your game, you're changing it. This teaser introduces our full training. Explore the entire curriculum at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. The package includes 10 hours of video content, a comprehensive audiobook, and a 300-page book, all focused on your job's AI applications. You'll learn to make AI work for you, increasing efficiency and expertise. This can boost your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and make you 300% more likely to get hired in AI-related roles. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager for full access. All right, let's dive right back into the deep end of currency and exchange rate analysis. You know the part where the numbers start doing the tango and your profit margins hang in the balance? Yeah, that's where ChatGPT comes in, like a lifeboat in choppy financial waters. Imagine you're at the helm like Isabel from Global Fusion. She's juggling currencies like a pro, but even pros need an edge. That's where AI steps up. By feeding ChatGPT real-time currency data and historical trends, you're not just getting a snapshot, you're getting a crystal ball. Now think about real-time monitoring. It's like having your finger on the pulse of the market. ChatGPT keeps an eye on those live currency movements for you, so you're never caught off guard. It's like having a financial weather forecast at your disposal. But here's where it gets really interesting. Predictive forecasting. ChatGPT isn't just regurgitating data, it's modeling potential future fluctuations. This means you can plan your financial strategy with foresight, not just hindsight. You're playing chess, not checkers. And let's talk holistic analysis. We're not just crunching numbers here. We're weaving in the narrative of global events, economic policies, and market trends. ChatGPT can help you read between the lines of what's happening around the world and how it could ripple through exchange rates. But remember, the AI is your tool, not the other way around. It's giving you a robust framework to work from, but that nuanced understanding of global affairs, that's all you. You've got to balance the data with your own insights, your own experience. So as you're strategizing with ChatGPT, think of it as your financial co-pilot. Together, you're not just weathering the storm, you're charting a course through it, turning what could be financial pitfalls into opportunities. And just like Dale Carnegie said, today is life, the only life you are sure of. Make the most of today. With an AI-driven strategy, you're doing just that, ensuring that every financial decision is as informed as it can be. So embrace the power of AI in currency analysis. Let it amplify your expertise and watch as your global ventures navigate smoothly through the ever-changing tides of exchange rates. Hey, I hope you find this valuable. Elevate your financial management career with AI proficiency and reduce your job loss risk by 60%. Seize this chance. The Finance Manager AI Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all tailored for your role. Secure your future at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. Don't miss out. All right, so you're knee-deep in the world of currency and exchange rates, and let's be real, it's a complex dance of numbers that never sleeps. But what if I told you that ChatGPT could be your dance partner in this financial tango? Let's break it down. First up, historical exchange rate analysis. You're looking back to predict the future, right? ChatGPT can dive into vast oceans of historical data, spot trends, and serve up insights that might take you ages to find manually. It's like having a financial historian in your pocket. Now, real-time exchange rate monitoring. This is where the pace picks up. Markets are moving fast, but ChatGPT keeps up, tracking fluctuations as they happen. It's your eyes on the currency world, ensuring you don't miss a beat. Currency volatility analysis? That's another beast. Volatility can be your friend or foe, and ChatGPT helps you understand which. By analyzing patterns and triggers, it gives you a heads up on when to brace for impact or when to ride the wave. Comparative currency analysis. That's all about perspective. ChatGPT can compare multiple currencies, giving you a clearer picture of where each stands in the grand scheme of things. It's like a currency detective, uncovering clues on what's hot and what's not. Exchange rate forecasting. Now that's the golden ticket. ChatGPT can't see the future. No one can. But it can make educated guesses based on heaps of data, helping you plan your next move with more confidence. Currency risk assessment. It's all about playing it safe. ChatGPT can help you evaluate the risks associated with currency movements, so you can hedge your bets and protect your assets. And finally, currency conversion optimization. ChatGPT can help you find the most favorable times and rates to convert your currency, ensuring you get more bang for your buck. So, finance managers, imagine having a tool that not only crunches numbers, but also offers insights that could lead to smarter, more informed decisions. That's ChatGPT for you, your analytical, ever-learning sidekick in the dynamic dance of currency and exchange rate analysis. Hey, I hope you find this valuable. Elevate your financial management career with AI proficiency and reduce your job loss risk by 60%. Seize this chance. The Finance Manager AI Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all tailored for your role. Secure your future at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. Don't miss out. All right, let's dive into the world of currency and exchange rate analysis. You know, currencies are like the lifeblood of the global economy, constantly pulsing through every international transaction. And for finance managers, understanding this flow is crucial. Take cross-currency analysis, for instance. It's not just about comparing exchange rates, it's about spotting trends, predicting movements, and making decisions that can save or earn a company big bucks. ChatGPT can be your sidekick here, crunching numbers, analyzing historical data, and providing insights that might take humans ages to figure out. Now think about the impact of currency fluctuations on financial statements. It's like a silent force that can either inflate or deflate your numbers. ChatGPT steps in as your analytical guru, helping you adjust for these changes, ensuring your financials reflect the real economic impact and not just exchange rate volatility. And then there's currency hedging strategies. It's all about protection, right? Like an umbrella in a storm. ChatGPT can help you model different scenarios, evaluate the effectiveness of hedging instruments, and develop strategies that minimize your exposure to currency risks. Currency arbitrage opportunities are like hidden treasures in the vast sea of finance. Spotting these requires speed and precision. ChatGPT can quickly analyze discrepancies across different markets, helping you act on these opportunities before they vanish. Lastly, currency compliance and regulations, the rulebook every finance manager needs to play by. ChatGPT can keep you updated on the latest regulatory changes, assist in compliance reporting, and ensure you're not stepping over any lines. So, whether you're analyzing, hedging, arbitraging, or just keeping things compliant, ChatGPT is your go-to for navigating the complex currents of currency and exchange rate analysis. It's like having a financial analyst, a compliance officer, and a strategist all rolled into one incredibly efficient AI. You're witnessing a snippet of our extensive training. Access the full suite at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. This package includes 10 hours of video training, an audiobook, and a detailed 300-page book. It's designed to deepen your understanding of AI in your specific job, increasing efficiency, easing your transition into AI, and boosting your expertise. Embrace AI and potentially enhance your earnings by 20% to 200%, lower job loss risks by 60%, and increase your job market value by 300%. Learn more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager.